It is the People's Palace after all, and no time is more fitting to have the people or public enjoy its wide open and manicured lawns, the clean, well-kept promenades leading to Kalayaan Hall, the admin building and offices along the banks of the Pasig River, and the centerpiece, the dazzling lights and sparkle Malacanang's Christmas tree. PTV's Vel Custodio on the President declaring the park and grounds of Malacanang open to the public.
Family, friends, or individuals who like solo are invited to join the Tara Palacio, the Misa de Gallo or Dawn at the Kalayaan Grounds in Malacanang. After Misa de Gallo at 4 a.m., the audience can enjoy the Christmas displays and meals. Carnival rides and games are for free from 6 p.m. beginning December 16 to 23. Meanwhile, Santo Domingo Parish had a capacity crowd of churchgoers on the first day of Misa de Gallo or Dawn Mass. Attending the 9-day set of Holy Mass celebration before Christmas is a popular tradition among Filipinos like Bugoy's family.
Sa pamilya po, yung para sa yung kalusugan, yung kaligtasan palagi.
Geneva plans to complete the Christmas Novena or 9-day Mass, praying for her good health.
Yung liwanag na aking paningin, kabutihang loob, hindi madamot sa kapwa, magmahal sa kapwa, at manampalataya higit sa kanya.
After the Mass, people proceeded to stalls selling the popular cornbread or bibingka and rice cakes or puto bumbong. Quezon City Traffic and Transport Management were in control of people entering and exiting the church area. According to the Metro Manila Development Authority, the first day of Simbang Gabi and Misa de Gallo was peaceful and orderly.
Sa monitor namin, wala naman any untoward incident at wala naman nagdulot matinding traffic sa unang araw ng Misa de Gallo. Sabi ko nga kasi marami na rin ng simbahan na gumagawa ng anticipated mass at night instead early doon na mass. So nakabawas din ho yun sa pumupunta ng madaling araw para sa Misa de Gallo.
As per Ligtas Christmas 2024, the Philippine National Police is working hand-in-hand with local government units, church officials, and authorities in places people frequently travel to for heightened security. The PNP's vacation leave policy has also been suspended, starting this afternoon for increased police deployment this holiday season.
From PTV, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.